Good morning, folks, and welcome to your watching the markets for Tuesday, February 6, 2018. And we got a lot going on today, an awful lot of volatility in the markets. We're going to get right into it. We're going to start the charts right here. Okay, so what we're looking at, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's just starting up. Now, I had to go to a new chart because my chart's not functioning this morning. But this chart is live and it's active. It's around 500 points down as the open this morning. 484.34 down 443 down. So she's rising right now a little bit. 456 down. So we're watching it live. 409 down. Yeah, it's rising a little bit. Now this is what I think it's going to do today. I think that toward the end of the day, we're going to not have much loss at all, and tomorrow we're going to have a rally. This is basically what I think is going on. I think today we're going to have a little loss today, but I think tomorrow we're going to have a rally in the stock markets. Well, that being said, let's go on to Bitcoin. Now, we're going to go to Bitstamp, and I think that Bitcoin is going to start to rally with the markets, probably tomorrow. And Bitcoin, we're going to see the Bitcoin price not go up to $20,000, not in the short term, but I think we're going to see a rally in the Bitcoin price, and this is only going to last until around March. Now, what's going to happen in March? I think the big crash is coming. I think we're going to see, when this rally starts tomorrow, we're going to see a change in everything. So let's go through these prices. We got 69.01 on Bitcoin right at this minute at Bitstamp. If we go back to the 30-minute, we can get a better look at this charting in this. We can see the dip, and we can see a rally is already actually beginning in the cryptocurrency. And this is a rally I think is going to continue tomorrow. It's going to rally with the stock market. And so we're already seeing the beginning. This is what I think is happening. We're seeing the beginning of a rally right here. That's what this upline right here is in cryptocurrency. Now, if we take a look at silver price. Silver price is down. This is because this is being manipulated down. They're not going to take it down much lower. They've got her down near the bottom. They know better. They know better. If they take her too low, they'll bring everything down, and they know it. If they take silver price down too low, the mining production will slump off and everything, and they know they can't drop it below mining production cost, or they're in big trouble. I think mining production cost right now is around $14. So they have a little bit of room. They could probably take it down around $1 or $2 more than it is now, but they're being awful dirty about this. I mean, this is dirt. This is pure dirt what they've been doing to us with the silver and gold prices. But it's going to break on them, and it's going to break. It's going to be magnificent when it does break. So you guys that are being discouraged with all of this, don't be discouraged. This is going to break after a while. It's going to be super. So now let's take a look at the Dow Jones again. Man, look at that. She was 500 down when she opened, and now she's only 220 points down, But I think she's going to get up near zero here, and then she's going to drop back down again. I think she's going to end the day down a little bit. Not down a lot, but down a little bit. Probably down 100 points or something. Tomorrow's the rally. Tomorrow's the rally. Not today. I don't think the rally's going to be today. I think it's going to be tomorrow. They're rallying right now. Look at that. Down 167. I wouldn't be surprised if that went in the green in the next 5 minutes. Down 153. And this is exciting. Down 137. Oh my goodness, they're going to try to rally the market. 136. Come on, boys. Come on. It's like watching a horse race. No, down 160. Okay, so they're not going to rally it just yet. Maybe later in the day they might rally. Oil prices. I had to get another chart for oil prices. My site's not working that I normally use. But if we see here, we're sitting at $63.38 for crude oil. Let me refresh this chart. 63.35 for crude oil is what we're looking at for a price. Now, we're going to go to cryptocurrency market capitalizations here. And when we're done here, we're going to talk about what's going to happen in the next couple of months, because we're heading for a monster of a crash, stock market crash. Not right now. Not right now. This is not the crash, believe it or not. The crash is coming. The crash is coming probably in March or April. And I'll explain to you why and how it's going to hit. So $336 billion in cryptocurrency market capitalizations. These numbers, I think, are going to start to go into the green later today or tomorrow, where I think the rally's beginning. That's what I think. My personal opinion. Do not take anything I say here for financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on what's going on. This is the U.S. dollar index right here, 89.94. It's showing quite a bit of strength in the dollar right now. Looks like it's going to go back over 90. Bonds and rates. Now, the U.S. 10-year is the one we want to focus on here. And we're going to focus on it right now, 2.773. We're going to go to the 1 day here. I think we're going to see this start to rise again. Oh, it looks like it's already doing so right now. It's rising. 2.773. I think it's going to go back up. If this goes up too quick, it could lead to another little drop in the markets tomorrow. It could, if this goes up too quick. I didn't expect this to go back up this quick. Yeah, it's going up. Look right here. If we see right here, it's going up. I didn't expect this. I expected it to stay down. In fact, I expected it to go a little bit lower. I expected it to go down to 2.6 or even 2.5. This is staying stronger than I thought it was. This market problem could last a little bit longer than I thought it was. Now, you see here when it topped out, across the top here. This is when the U.S. 10-year topped out. This is what caused the crash. Now, you see, when it caused the crash, it knocked it down here, right? See where it knocked it down to? Right here, at the bottom, at 2.71 or something. It knocked it down to. That took the pressure off, and that's why the stock market can come back a little bit. But now look, you see what's happening here? The pressure's starting to build back up. This has got more energy in it than I thought. It could lead to a better day than I thought today or maybe tomorrow. But we're gonna have a recovery from this. I'm pretty darn sure. You know? And then when we have the recovery, what'll happen is this is going to bounce back up, and it's going to go higher than ever. It's going to go back up to 3%, right? The high here was around 2.85. This is going to go all the way up to 3%, probably 3.25. When it gets up around 3%, 3.25%, that's when the big crash is coming. That's when the big crash is coming. Because it's going to really wipe out the stock market, the big crash. And I'm thinking it's going to coincide with the March 20th interest rate hike that the Fed's going to do. And also, you got to understand that the Fed is also going to continue to exert pressure by selling their toxic balance book. They will not back off until we actually have quite literally a crisis situation. Then they'll back off. When they back off, that's when the dollar's going to be destroyed. So now you have the timing of it all. You know when the dollar's going to be destroyed, when the Fed backs off. You got to watch the Fed. Don't even watch the bond market. Watch the Fed. So that's what's going on in all this situation here. Let's take one more quick look at the Dow Jones here before we go. It's going to rally. It's going to rally. It's 60 points down now. They've decided that they're going to rally it. But I don't think the rally is going to last long. I think that they're going to lose it, and she's going to go back down into the red numbers later today. But this is not going to be a big day down like yesterday, I don't think. If it's a day down at all. Look, she's almost rallied. Only 25 points down now, and it started 500 points down. So, but I think tomorrow is going to be the real rally day, and here's the thing. But we're going to have to wait and see. We got to really watch these markets. These markets have shown a lot of volatility now. But this is volatility that's coming. You have no idea what's really coming. What's really coming is something nasty this way comes. Really, something nasty this way comes. And we're not going to get out this year. I know we got through 2017 smooth sailing. We're not going to get no smooth sailing this year. This is going to be the year of really, really riding the rapids. This is going to be a rough year. So listen, thank you guys for listening. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next show. Bye.